Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. If you guys have a BMW 3 Series guys and you need to remove and replace the key fob battery, stay with us and we'll explain how to do that. Now that should apply guys to BMW F30. This is the 3 Series F30, F31 guys, F34, F35 and F80 BMW. So this is guys the battery, this is the key. Stay with us, we'll show you how to do that. Quick introduction guys, every single car we get at the shop, including this 3 Series here guys, we'll be making between 200 and 300 videos at least, maybe even 400 on this one guys. We take them completely apart and we show you how to fix anything. Why? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can by providing these free videos to you and teach you how to fix your car for free. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel and like the video guys. Hopefully you will find the information helpful. Now if you guys need to buy a replacement battery or a key fob case, we'll have the link in the description of the video below and you can see where you can get it from for a really good price guys. And usually they have them for pretty quick shipping as well, so we get them online because otherwise the local store, okay, they overcharge you for something like that guys, something simple as a key fob battery. So let me explain what we'll be doing here. Okay, where there is one button that we need to press in, release, and we're going to pull the key out. Now on this side right here guys, okay, there is one clip that we need to go ahead and release. Okay, let me explain to you now. Okay, just like that. Then you open the cover, okay, and pull it out. Now make sure you stay until the end guys. I want to share some very helpful information about that BMW 3 Series guys, and something that can cost you thousands of dollars, so I want to share something. Now go ahead, open, okay, remove the battery by lifting it up on this side, sliding it out, and what else we need to do? Grab the new battery now guys, slide it in and push it in. So now on that key fob case, okay, we have one clip that we need to slide in first on the front and then snap it together. Listen now. Perfect. What else we need to do? Okay, all we have to do is just go ahead and push the key in. Okay, let me see, because the key got stuck. Okay, I got a little bitty rock here stuck in it, it didn't want to go in. Okay, and this is it guys. Now let me show you something really quick guys. This BMW uses the we have the N20 B20 engine. This is the 4-cylinder gasoline engine guys, and he developed, okay, the same engine has been used in that 5 Series. We're taking completely apart guys. He developed a timing chain failure at only 87,000 miles. Timing chain pieces inside the oil pan guys, so you can see how terrible that thing is. If you have a BMW with that engine, check the video about the timing chain failure. Certain years are affected from what I understand guys, and we shared all that information with you. The whole video about the timing chain replacement will be, okay, on our YouTube channel Auto Repair guys, and you can find more information on our other 2 channels as well. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.